Good day and welcome back to Waji Talks Money, the home of online money making tips and updates. But before we go down to today's business, I want you to click on the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I make other videos that will enhance your money making skills, you will get notified and be the first to see such kind of videos. Today, we'll be talking about how to perform your daily task on Anchor. Before you perform your daily task, you must always know that for Anchor, there are two types of packages. There is Anchor Pro package, there is Anchor Silver package. And whichever task you perform, it has to do with your kind of package, and that would in turn bring about the profit you earn per package. For example, Anchor Silver package gives you a profit worth 1,300, while Anchor Pro package gives you a profit worth 1,500 naira. I'm going to dive down to how you can perform your task. When you log into your dashboard, remember I always tell you you might see these prompts. All you have to do is cancel it. You see your dashboard interface that brings about your all-time earning, your cash earnings, your sales commissions earnings, and all of those. What you have to do is come down until you see Anchor Games. And before we go into how to fully perform your task, you must know that the task ranges. The kind of task you're given today would not be the same as what you'll be given tomorrow or next tomorrow or in subsequent days to come. You might be directed to WhatsApp today, Facebook tomorrow, YouTube the next day, Instagram, and every other social. So all you have to do is engage this task, like them, comment, or if it's a WhatsApp channel you're directed to, all you just need to do is join the group. In essence, engagement is the key. But for you to perform your daily task, click on Anchor Games and you'll be directed to a portal that shows you claim reward. Click on claim reward, and for example, today's task is directing me to TikTok. All you have to do is watch the video, engage it, like the video, comment.
Join Anchor now and monetize your social media account. Join Anchor now and learn new skills. Business owners, join
come
Anchor.
Out of it. Go back to the Chrome interface or whichever browser you are using until you see claim reward back. Click on back, refresh your interface, and you are done. That is how to do your daily task. But you must know something. For those of you that uses Anchor Pro or that opted in for Anchor Pro package, at exactly 12:05 or 12:06 or before 1 o'clock in the midnight, your robot must have done your task for you. However, Anchor has said that you must always perform your daily task. This is basically how to perform your daily task on Anchor. Do not forget to click the subscribe button, like this video, and hit on the notification bell. See you in the next video.